Hi. 3 months ago I applied Mink Oil to these boots. As you can see in this term they completely break in. And I don't use any shoe trees or boot trees. But today I'll apply Mink Oil again. Some basic process is the easiest one. I remove laces. I have just generic brush. I'll dust it off. These boots now have many scratches, which I'll show you later. Just yesterday my kids scored several times, but I don't care, it's just the boots. So we take this Mink Oil. I'll apply it with my hands because I don't have anything else. And I will apply not even coat. I will apply more where scratches is. So it will heal better. Mink Oil will seal the leather just a little bit to prevent the water from the leather. It will be just a single layer of protection for the leather, so leather could feel less water. Initially I thought I need to apply something to the welt, but as I can see the welt is plastic, synthetic materials. I'm not impressed with red wing quality. It has number of issues around the boot, and it's not only me who have these issues, but other people too, like this, where the welt is grinded to the thread. I know all these boots is made by hand, but they could have made it more accurately, in my opinion. And yes, this boots is not cheap, but it's not premium boots by any stretch of imagination. For example, some other boots like Alden Indie cost $700, but they also use more level or higher level leather, because this copper rough and tough is Red Wing Heritage line leather. It's not very good. It's thick, as you can see. The thickness is 2 millimeters, and in some places we have nice reinforcing pieces of leather. And I'm sorry for my English, I'm not a native speaker and it's hard to talk to me because I cannot breathe. Very well in these times. But I'm trying my best to show you my progress, my journey with these Red Wing boots. So please subscribe if you want to see more. And soon I'll be showing iron ranges on wedge sole. They'll be shipped in the next couple of weeks. It all depends on customs. For some reason, some packages are sitting way too long on customs. As you can see, when the boot is wet, it has this nice look, and not prepared boots is like, it's looking good, like here where I brushed it all the time, but here it's dry out leather, and you can see all these places where there is no oils left. And it's third time when I apply Mink Oil to these boots. First one is on the video, third like 3 months ago. The second one I applied to this area where it bends, and now it's third time when we apply it to the full boot. And I love Mink Oil because it's making the boot feel more flexible, I guess, because it's thick leather. It's not very pliable. But when it's treated in such way, it's become more soft. On my side, I'm not carrying the boots very much. I'm sitting at home due to work from home order. So I'm trying to walk every day, like 10,000 steps is my goal. Not every day I could do this. Because some days we have lots of phone conversations. And they are depending on different people, so we had to work sometimes from early morning to the dusk after sundown. But that's allowed me to have these shoes and show it to you. I want to order some Vesco boots to try, or Nicks, or whites, but I could not wait 6 months in the same place just to get boots. So I'm ordering more Dwins to my collection. Currently I own 5 pairs, I guess, and I ordered several more, which I'll show you later. And that's all. The boots is complete. As you can see, they dry pretty quickly. The previous boot, it's been like 4 minutes. It's already starting to absorb the Mink Oil, and the new one is still pretty shiny. And I should have cleaned them better. I'll do this next time. So that's what we have. Once again, I'll show you final product. And that's all. Welcome.